In this video, I'm going to show you how to text yourself in WhatsApp. WhatsApp has recently rolled out a new feature that you can easily text yourself. Maybe you want to keep an important information or you just want to let it be a reference point for you. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick way on how to get it done. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. Before I start, if you're an Android user or iOS, navigate to your Play Store or App Store and make sure your WhatsApp app is up to date. Then your WhatsApp interface, scroll down to the bottom right corner where you see this message icon and tap on it. You land on an interface like this with a bunch of contacts. Make sure to pick the one that has the inscription message yourself, as you correctly see it on the screen. Continue to tap on it and there you are. On this interface, you can easily store any message that you want to keep it. So let me type this message for instance and then tap on send. So this message has been stored here, and anytime I want to get it, all I have to do is to come to this interface and I will have my message stored here. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider check out our next video. See you in the next video.